Hello, welcome to our look ahead at the markets. And first of all, just a quick recap on what's going on. On Sunday night, we had OPEC Plus delivering additional production cuts, and that's sent crude prices firmer overnight, though we did see some pairing of those gains early on Monday. Saudi Arabia committing to an extra 1 million barrels per day of cuts, but the UAE gets an extra 200,000 barrels per day to produce next year. Net, we do think this probably does mean that OPEC output is heading into supply crunch later in the year, and that should keep oil prices well supported unless the US heads for a very hard recession. That seems unlikely though, given the non-farm payrolls report on Friday showed continued strength in the labour market. So coming up this week, overnight into Tuesday morning, we have the RBA, the Reserve Bank of Australia. Now, it's probably a toying cost where it decides to raise rates once more, potentially another 25 basis points being priced in by September. So it could happen this month. They may decide to pause for a bit longer. Then we have Bank of Canada also in action. It's also coming under a bit more pressure to raise rates after inflation in April accelerated to 4.4% from 4.1% in the previous month. And then heading into the end of the week, we're looking at some key data out of China. We have key producer price inflation figures, so that factory gate number, which is an important leading indicator for global consumer inflation. And then meanwhile, also running throughout the week, we have the Apple WWDC, the Worldwide Developer Conference, and that is going to produce some important updates from Apple, notably its new virtual reality headset as it goes toe-to-toe with Meta, but also looking to see what sort of noises Tim Cook is making around AI. Of course, AI has been driving everything in the market this year. Apple shares are up 44%. It's been quite quiet on AI. They've still got some work to do, certainly, but we'll look to see just what the sort of plans are and how far progressed they are, and that could be important for Wall Street's assessment of the Apple stock going forward. So that's everything. That's your week ahead. Thanks for watching.